This is Wilson Park at Wentworth Falls. It's a place provided with good parking, children's play area, picnic shelter, toilets, and down there the access to the Charles Darwin walk, a popular walk that takes you down to the falls on the edge of Jamison Valley, Wentworth Falls. Over here in the corner of the park is the access to Charles Darwin Walk, as you can see, and just a little upstream is what I think is the site of the original railway dam. It was built when the railway was completed from Sydney, this being the end of the line at that point. Just below us here we cross Jamison Creek, and following tracks to the right will take you down Darwin's Walk. We'll be going to the left on this occasion. After a few minutes walk alongside the creek, we come to the face of the old dam, which, as you can see, is flowing very well today. We're coming back now to the Darwin Walk again. This time we'll follow it a little bit further. We're coming to a double track junction. We'll be going up these these steps here in a moment. And on the other side, the bridge over the creek will lead us to Falls Road, not far from Wilson Park if you wish to go that way. This brings us out onto Page Avenue, and we'll follow it towards the village. This is the parking area at the back of the Grand View Hotel. And we'll follow through here to the Great Western Highway. straight ahead here will take us down to the top end of Wilson Park and the bowling club. Whereas crossing the highway here takes you to the railway station and the Wentworth Falls village shops.